Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So Tesla is human. I think everybody was wondering after the past several days whether or not this thing was human or not. But yes, it's definitely still human. Had a pullback. Now, this is also what makes the chart a little tricky to talk about moving forward because it's all a matter of perspective. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you're going to call yourself, and you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 25 minutes, well, then from that perspective, the chart looks really, really bad. Now, if you care about the bigger picture point of view, I get it. From where it was to where it's pulled back to, that was a big pullback. But from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. And that's going to be the viewpoint that I talk about things from, because as long as prices are building those higher bases, then that implies that an overall uptrend is still being constructed. Now, I'm not saying any of this is actually going to happen, but just for example's sake, let's say that the price actually pulls back some more and once again goes all the way back down to that 550 mark. Again, not saying this will occur, but price comes down here to 550, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows here. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows down here. And then you'd have even lows lower than that. But this will get the point across. Now, again, if these lows, envision these as stair steps. And once again, focus on that, phrase, big picture. So from the big picture perspective, what would you have as far as these stair steps are concerned? Well, you'd still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upward direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. Again, I get it. If you're a day trader and you bought right there, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So yeah, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in one day, looking at multiple days as you're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.